Usually, when people refer to Machu Picchu, they are only thinking about the Inca buildings on top of the ridge. But construction has to begin at the bottom. In other words, you have to start with the terraces.
Terraces are fundamental to Machu Picchu. While some terraces would have been used for small-scale farming, their primary purpose was to hold the mountain in place while draining a huge volume of rainwater away.
That averages about 76 inches per year. And in terms of, let's say, Middle America, that's a lot of water, roughly 2.5 times as much as the city of Chicago would get.
Left unmanaged, that rainwater would turn the hillsides to mud, and Machu Picchu would slide away. The Inca avoided that by creating a sophisticated drainage system. Inside the terraces, archaeologists found a layer of rich topsoil. Under that, a layer of sandy dirt, and finally, gravel and larger stones.
We could say that they are filtering galleries, meaning even when you get a lot of rain, the terraces never flood because the water is filtered through these progressive layers of material.
Instead of racing down the mountain, the water slowly works its way into the ground, so there's almost no erosion. With this basic design in hand, the Inca fixed the first terrace into the mountain, then started on the next, replicating their way to the top. Once there, Inca engineers had to reckon with an even bigger water problem. This is a city paved with stone, with few places for rainwater to go. But the Inca had foreseen that problem, and during construction carefully placed more than 100 drains throughout the city. Many of these drains delivered the runoff from the elevated parts of the city into the central plaza. Further digging there revealed a remarkable innovation to handle all of that water. Beneath the usual layers of topsoil and gravelly dirt, Wright's team hit a thick layer of white granite chips, the spoil from years of Inca stone cutting.
In effect, what the Inca did was to build an underground drainage system, a type of conduit to carry water safely away.
These were colossal earthworks, extending nearly 2.7 meters below the surface and encompassing several hectares. They collected water and shunted it away from the city.
The Inca engineers spend about 50%, maybe 60% of their overall effort underground, doing foundations, site preparation to make sure that Machu Picchu would last forever.